નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી. Hello students, today we will study the fourth type to construct a quadrilateral. And what is the fourth type? That is, if we have given the three sides and the two included angles, then how to construct a quadrilateral. This is the topic of standard 8, chapter number 4, practical geometry. Okay, so which dimensions we have given? We have given a quadrilateral TRUE. One side TR is equals to 3.5 centimeter, RU side is of 3 centimeter, UE side is of 4 centimeter, angle R is of 75 degree and angle U is of 120 degree. So you know that first of all we have to draw a rough diagram. So this is the rough diagram. We can give the name TRUE in either clockwise direction or in the anti-clockwise direction, or we can start to give the name from any one point, right? Okay, we can start to give the name from any vertex. So here I have started to give it the name in this point TRUE. Okay, now let us put the all the dimensions that we have given. So first of all we have given the side TR, that is of 3.5 centimeter. RU is of 3 centimeter. UE is of 4 centimeter. Now you understand the meaning of this three sides. The three sides we have given, all the three sides are adjacent sides. Now what is the meaning of included angles? Included angle means one angle we have given this, see, 75 degree, and the second angle, this U, we have given as a 120 degree. So this 75 degree is included between these two sides, and this 120 degree angle is included between these two sides. See, we do not have given these two angles, right? That is why it is called as a two included angles. Okay, now we have to construct this quadrilateral. So let us start from this side base, that is of UR. Okay, so let us start. Okay, first of all we have to draw a 3 centimeter of the line segment. So here is the scale. We have to make a 3 centimeter of the line segment. So if this is 0, then up to 3. This is the smallest side with that of the quadrilateral. So this is the point U and this is the point R, right? So 2 points we have now, U and R. Now at the point R we have to construct an angle of 75 degree, and at the point U we have to construct a 120 degree of the angle. So to construct a 120 degree of the angle, now you can use this compass. And how to do this? See, to draw the 120 degree of the angle, let us take some radius. Take some centimeter of the radius. Okay, by taking some of the radius, now we have to draw an arc, semicircle arc, from this point U. Okay, so let us draw this arc in this way, right? Now with the same radius we have to make an arc by taking this point, this is the first arc and this is the second arc. Okay, so now this point, if we join this point and this point, then we will get 120 degree of the angle. Okay, so whenever we join this point and this point, this line segment, whatever we get here is this angle now measures of 120 degree angle. Okay, if you don't know how to do this, you can use the angle measure instrument to measure the angle, to draw the angle. Okay. Now here, what is the distance we have to take? We have to take a 4 centimeter of the distance. So we can do this thing by two ways. One is to direct take a 4 centimeter on the scale, and second way is to measure the 4 centimeter on the compass and make an arc from the U. So this is exactly of 4 centimeter. So which point is this? This point is E. Right. Now we have to make this point, right? We have to make an angle of 75 degree at point R. So to do that, now we can use this instrument of the measure angle, right? So to make an angle of 75 degree, let us keep it at the 0. Set it at the 0. Okay. Now see, this is the 0 degree angle. Now if we move here, we get the 10 degree, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, and this point gives us the 75 degree. Okay, let us count one more time. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70 and 75, right? So when we join these 2 points, whatever the angle we get is 75, but this angle is from outside. We want to make an angle from the inside. Okay, so don't make this mistake. We have to make an angle which measures from inside, right? Okay, so let us keep it again and measure the angle again. So this is now set it this point to the 0 degree. Okay, so now see here, this is the 0 degree, this is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, and this point is of 75 degree, right? So whenever we join these 2 points, this line, this ray is how much of the angle? This is of 75 degree of the angle, right? Now this T is at 3.5 centimeter away from the R point. So to do this, how we can do this? In the two ways. First of all, we have to make an 3.5 centimeter of the measure on the compass. This is 3 and this is 3.5 centimeter, right? Okay, so now you can make an arc of 3.5 centimeter on this line. Also we can directly take from this scale. So what is this point? This point is our T point. Now we have the E point, we have the T point. Now join these 2 points, E and T, right? Whenever we join these 2 points, our quadrilateral is get completed. Okay, so this is our required quadrilateral TRUE. Now we can write down all the measurements. This TR side is of 3.5 centimeter. This UR is of 3 centimeter. This EU side is of 4 centimeter. This angle is of 75 degree and this angle is of 120 degree, right? So whenever we have to draw the angles, construct the angles, we can also use the compass, right? That you have to study how we can draw this type of angle. Okay, so in this way we can draw the required quadrilateral whenever we have given 3 sides and 2 included angles. Okay, so this is all about this lecture. Okay, thank you.
Thank you for joining us.